Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to learn Addmath, and today's topic is linear log. And in this video, we will cover three. Second, equation of a line of best fit. We will cover one example. Third, application of linear law to nonlinear functions. We will discuss four questions. So the last one, I'm not going to cover. Okay. The first one, what is a line of best fit? In a very simple word, a line of best fit is a straight line. So what kind of straight line it is? It is a straight line which passes through as many points as possible. Okay, all the plotted points lie as close as possible to the line, and the points are evenly distributed on both sides of the line. It means, let's see at the first graph, if the number of points above the lines are 2, so the number of points below the line need to be 2. So they are evenly distributed, so we can say that this is a line of best fit. Or it can have a very small difference of the number above and below the line. So let's say the number of points above the lines are 2 and the number of points below the line, let's say 6. So it's a very big difference, so we cannot say it is a line of best fit. Okay, but if it has a very small difference, for example the number above the lines 2, below the lines 1, then we can say it is still a line of best fit. Okay, so for the second graph, it is a line of best fit or no. Let's count the number of points above the ground, above the line, sorry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And below the lines, only 1. So it is not a line of best fit. Okay, the third one, clearly you can say it is a line of best fit because all the points lie on the line. Okay. Okay, next is equation of a line of best fit. Equation of a line of best fit. You know, a line of best fit is a straight line. A straight line also have equation. So actually they have the same equation, same form, which is y equal to mx plus c. So this is gradient. M is gradient, c is y-intercepts. So how you want to find gradient? Using this formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? And y-intercept is c. Okay. So this is the only equation for this part that we are going to discuss. So you can pause and read this equation first. So now it's given to you the equation y equal to ax plus b. So it is actually equal to this equation. The difference is just the m is the a and the c is the b. Okay, so now the question asks you to use a scale of 2 cm to 0.1 unit on x-axis and 2 cm to 0.5 unit on y-axis. So these are all the points that you need to plot on the graph paper. Okay, so we will just read the question first and move to the answer, right to the answer. So A, the question asks you to plot y against x and draw a line of best fit. So you need to draw a graph based on this rule, and these are the points. Okay, and B, determine the linear law, means you need to find the equation. Okay, linear law connecting y and x, it means the equation in this form. Okay, take note. Okay, and C, from your graph, find the value of y when x equal to 0.7. Okay, so once you finish plot on the graph paper, you will get this. Okay, you see 2 cm to 0.1 units on the y-axis. So another 0.1 here you get 0.2, another 0.1 here you get 0.3, and so on. Okay, so for y-axis 2 cm to 0.5, another 2 cm to 0.5, so become 1 here, here is 1.5, and so on. Okay, so and then you will plot just now, the points you plot, and you will get a line of best fit. All the points will lie on the line, on the graph. Okay, that's for question A. Settled. Question B, just now you need to write the equation. So you need to know, when you write the equation y equal to mx plus c, first you need to find what is m. Okay, you write the equation form here, y equal to mx plus c, you need to find m. How you want to find m? Using the formula just now. And how you want to find the formula, how you want to use this formula, you need to have 2 points. You just choose this point, the x and y, and this point or this point. With this point, you just choose. So here I choose 0.8 and 1.4. Also I choose 0.2 and 2.6. I choose this point, 0.2 and 2.6, also 0.8 and 0.8 and 1.4. Okay, so you just find it from your own graph. Maybe I can check on. Yeah, here. I choose here. Okay, and then I minus. Okay, so you get -2 for m. Now you need to find what is c. So how you want to find c? Substitute any point in the line to find c. You just choose which point you want. Okay, now I choose point 0.2 and 2.6. Here I choose this point. The x is 0.2, the y is 2.6. So y I substitute 2.6, x is 0.2, and your m just now is -2. Okay, so 2.6 equal -2 times 0.2 is -0.4. Okay, now I want to find c, so -0.4. I move to the left, it's become positive, so 2.6 plus 0.4. Okay, got c equals to 3. It's not the end. The question wants you the equation. So write the equation form again and just substitute the value of m and c only. So your m just now is -2, c is 3. So -2x plus 3. Okay, that's it for B. For C, from the graph, find the value of y when x equals to 0.7. So from the graph here, you go to 0.7. 0.7 is here, and then you make a dotted line, go up to the line here until you reach the line, and you move to the y-axis, and you will get your y is 1.6. This, and then you can find. Okay. Next, application of linear law to nonlinear functions. So a nonlinear equation can be reduced to a linear form. You know, nonlinear equation means the highest power for x is more than 1, because linear form, the highest power for x need to be 1. Okay, let's see an example. So yeah, it should be in this form, y equal to mx plus c, same like the previous one. The difference is now you have capital Y and capital X. Capital Y means it's not necessary to be Y only, and capital X means not necessary to be X only. Okay, let's see an example. Y equal to ax squared plus bx. Now you see the highest power for variable x now is 2. You still have 1, but the highest is 2. So you need to reduce this non-linear equation to a linear form. Means you need to make the highest power for x is 1. So how? What we can do is you divide both sides by x. Let's see what will happen. Yeah. When you divide both sides with x, y divided by x, y over x equal ax squared over x plus bx over x. So now you can cancel this x. Okay, you can cancel. This got 2, below got 1. So just cancel 1. And then you get, yeah, you get this one. You see, now this is actually in this form, where your capital Y now is not Y, it is Y over X. Okay, Y over X. Now your capital X is still remain X. Your M is A and your C is B. Okay, I think that's all for this part. Okay, now you read this question. Reduce non-linear relation. Okay, this is the equation where K and N are constant. This should be P. This should be P and N are constants. Two linear equation. Reduce non-linear equation to linear equation. State the gradient. Gradient means the question want you to give the M, and the vertical intercept means the C, the Y intercept. Okay, so now what is the first step you need to do? Just write the non-linear equation. Okay, so it need to be in what form? It need to be in the Y equals to M X, big X, capital X, plus C. What does it mean by capital Y and capital X? It not necessary to be Y and X. Okay, as long as the equation that you get later after you reduce, it is in this form. Okay, let's see the first question. Okay, what can you do to make it at this form? You use log both sides, because you cannot divide, you cannot times to make this x, the power is 1. Cannot. Okay, you cannot do that. So what you can do, log both sides. So log y at the left side equal to log p plus log n to the power n minus 1. Why here is plus? Because here is times. When you put log, it will become plus. Okay, log rules. Okay, so now what can you do? Log y equal to log p, and the power up here go to the front. This one also in log rules. Okay, so here actually you are in the form. Yeah, if you rearrange, it's already in this form. See, log y is the capital Y. Okay, log p is your C, and mx, log x is your capital X, and n minus 1 is your M. Okay, yeah, that's it. That is what the question want. The question did not ask you to write the value, but it just asks you to state. So what you need to do from the equation here, you need to know how to reduce it to be in this form, and then you compare it and you find what is M, what is C. Okay, let's move to the second question. The diagram shows a line of best fit by plotting graph of y squared against third x. Okay, now, okay, in this part, you see the y-axis. Normally the y-axis should be y and the x-axis should be x. So now the y-axis is y squared, x-axis is third x. Okay, it's okay. The first step you need to do is write the equation form. Yeah, always remember this. When there is a capital Y or capital X, it means it's not necessary to be Y or X. Okay, it can be Y over X, it can be log Y. Okay, and then I substitute. Now your Y is here at y-axis, y squared. Okay, your M you don't know yet, so you put M, and your X here is third X plus C. So what is the first step that you need to do? Find M. Okay, how you want to find M? Using the formula. To find M, you need 2 points, is it? So you have this point, 10 and 8. And then another point here. So what is the point here? Your X is 0. Your y is 4. So your y2, let's say 8. So 8 minus 4 over 10 minus 0. So you got the answer 4 over 10, and you simplify it, become 2 over 5. What is your next step? Find C. You need to find C. You remember the step, the previous slide, but you also can just look at the graph. The C means y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 4. So just substitute into the formula. What formula? Which formula? Which equation? Yeah, this one. So you got y squared, and then your m is 2 over 5. Third x plus your c is 4. Okay? Okay. Now, B1. Determine the value of x when y equals to 4. When y equals to 4, it means you just use this equation that you get just now. Just use this. Okay, and you substitute the value of y. You can find x. Y is, y is 4. Then your m just now 2 over 5. Your x you don't know, plus 4. So 4 squared you got 16. And then this plus 4, you move to the left, you got negative 4. And here left 2 over 5, third x. So you got 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay, 16 minus 4 is 12. And then here 2 over 5 and third x, they are stick together. Here is times. Okay, so move to the left, become divide. So 12 divide 2 over 5, you got 30. So now you want to remove this third, it becomes 30 squared. So it is equals to 900. This one you need to do step by step so that you manage to get the answer. Okay. Now B2 same also. You just need to substitute what is x. X is 25, and now you find y. So I just substitute your x now is 25. Okay. Then you got the answer. 2 over 5, third 25 is 5. Third means square root, okay? 2 over 5 times 5, you can just cross this. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So y squared equals to 6. So y is third 6, square root 6. Yeah, you square root both sides. Then you manage to get the answer. Okay? Equation 3. The diagram shows part of the straight line graph obtained by plotting third y against x squared. So basically this equation is same like the equation 2, just a little bit change, because the equation asks you to express y in terms of x. So the first what you need to do, just now I said, remember to write this. Why? Because now your y is third y, your capital Y is third y, and your capital X is x squared. Now you substitute, you got this. Okay, so what is the next step? You need to find what is m. To find m, you need 2 points, is it? Okay, 2 points. I choose these because these are the only point. Okay, so 8 minus 2 over 9 minus 1. I got the answer. 6 over 8, reduce it, become 3 over 4. What is the next step? You need to find y equals, yeah, I just take the formula back and I need to find c. So now I just choose any point. With any point you can choose 9, 8 or 1, 2. Now I choose 9, 8. So my x is 9, my y is 8. So I just substitute in this formula. Why we use this formula? Because now you already substitute into this. We use this. Okay, so you take your y is 8, m is 3 over 4 just now, x is 9 plus c. So 3 over 4 times 9, 27 over 4 plus c. Okay, now 27 over 4, change place to here, to the left, you got minus 27 over 4. So you got 8 minus 27 over 4, you got c equals to 5 over 4. Okay, not finished yet. All you need to do, substitute everything in this. Set y equal to m just now is 3 over 4, c is 5 over 4. Okay, so now the question asks you express y in terms of x. It means at your left side need to leave only y. So how you want to remove this set? Yeah, square both sides. So you will get this. Okay. The last one, question 4. The diagram shows part of straight line graph obtained by plotting y over x against set x. So I hope at this point you already know. Yes, write the equation form with capital Y and capital X. Okay, and then you see here now your y is in this form, y over x, and your capital S is set x. Set x means square root x. Okay, so now you just substitute into this. So what you got is this. Now when you rearrange to make sure it in this form, so you got this, and actually your Q is M, your P is, it is actually C. So how you want to find M? Using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So how you want to find M? You need 2 points, is it? So in this graph, we already have 2 points. We just minus 4 minus 10 over 5 minus 2. Or you want to do 10 minus 4 over 2 minus 5. Also can. So now you get negative 6 over 3. You simplify, you get negative 2. Okay, since Q is equal to M, M equals to negative 2, so you can conclude Q is equal to negative 2. Easy, is it? So now your C is equal to P. How you want to find C just now? You recall to the 5th slide. How you want to find C? You just substitute any point on the line. Let's say I choose this point. So this is my X, this 10 is my Y. Okay, so I substitute Y here is 10, X here is 2, and my M is negative 2. So 10 equal to negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. 10 equal to negative 4 plus C, so negative 4 move to the left, it will become positive 4, so 10 plus 4, C equals to 14. So yeah, that's it. So P equals to C, C equals to 14. So you conclude P is equals to 14. Okay, I think that's all. I hope you managed to get it for this chapter. I wish you all good luck.